Welcome to another vlog. So, ang vlog natin guys today is bibili tayo ng mga school supplies nila Kuya Chad, Kuya Caleb, and Troy. So, hindi ko sila isasama. Actually, sobrang late na ako nagva-vlog ngayon, ano. Hindi ko sila isasama kasi kami lang ni Daddy ang bibili ng school supplies nila kasi pagkasama sila baka mamaya yung budget natin is hindi magkasya and yeah, wait lang, kuha lang ako ng ice baby. So yun, ayun sa ate girl, hi,
We're going to
and Troy. So yahatid ko sila sa bahay ng kanilang lola. Come on, let's go. Dahil hindi na namin sila isasama. So, iiwan natin sila. Dahil yeah. So anyways, ayun, bibili tayo ng pang school supplies nila sa school. And yeah, bibili tayo. Wait lang. Wait lang, you two. Let me get my key.
Say, where are you going?
I'm going to go to the store. Go.
Hey, so that license
Yeah, hatid natin sila sa kanilang lola.
to macaroni and cheese. I know.
Yeah, go.
I'm going down the hill.
Okay, you go down the hill.
That way.
Do what? Okay. So guys, nahatid na natin si Troy and Natalia. So si Chad tsaka si Caleb, nandun na sila. Nauna na sila sa pagpunta sa lola nila kasi tinulungan nilang ng mga green beans, yung magtanggal, parang ganon. Doon sa kanyang garden. So, yung tinulungan nila. So, yun. Anyways, punta tayo sa ano muna guys, sa Sephora and Ulta kasi meron akong gusto na bilihin doon na lip balm na sobrang gusto ko talaga siyang bilihin. So, titingnan natin kung meron sila. Hopefully, meron silang available. And, yeah, magmi-meet up kami ni Daddy sa Walmart kasi doon na lang kami bibili ng mga school supplies nila. So, doon kami magmi-meet up sa Walmart after ng work niya. So, he get off at 5:30 and it's 4:12 na. So, hopefully mapuntahan natin yung mga gusto nating puntahan before tayo magpunta ng Walmart. So, let's go. So, ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa Sephora. Let's go inside. Sephora. Chidora. Bango. Ayan, dito na tayo sa Sephora. Tingin. So, dito naman tayo guys sa Ulta. Dito tayo sa Ulta Beauty. Ay, paikot ito. So, ito yung gusto kong pabango guys. Dior. Pero tingin niya mahal. Yeah. Bloom. Ayan. Ito yung gusto ko. Kahit ang pabango na lang. Dahil natin afford yung bag eh. Diba? Ito yung gusto ko eh. Si Bloom. Anong size ba nito? Yeah. Ito gusto ko yung malaki lang. So, amuyin natin to guys. Ay, walang pang ano. Ayan. Ang bango niya. Oh my gosh. So guys, may nabili ako sa Ulta Beauty. Ito siya. So pakita ko sa inyo kung ano i-touch. Binilhan ko ng pabango ang aking jusawa. Wait lang, tumatawag siya, no? So, anyways guys, so ito, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung gift. Hindi naman siya gift, pero kasi wala nang pabango yung asawa ko. So, parang like naubusan siya ng pabango, parang ganun. So, ito, naging favorite niya tong ano, itong Coach. Nagugustuhan niya tong pabango na to. Wala din sila dun yung ano, yung gustong gusto niya talaga is yung Dolce and Gabbana. Wala sila. So, yun. So, kung tatanungin niyo kung magkano to, this is 102. Tapos, siyempre, yung pabango na pinag-aamoy natin kanina, itong Dior na Blooming is $140. O, diba? Kumuha na ako ng malaki kasi yung maliit kasi it's 102. O, diba? So, kumuha ka na lang ng mas malaki kaysa doon ka pa kukuha sa maliit, 'di ba? Alam nyo ba, pinapangarap ko talaga to na mabili kasi as in hindi ko man mabili yung bag na Dior, sa pabango tayo babawi, 'di ba? Hindi natin afford ang bag na Dior kaya sa pabango tayo. But yun, anyways, hindi naman talaga ito yung pakay ko talaga na bilihin. Meron kasi akong nagugustuhan na, ayun nga yung lip balm na ang pangalan niya is Friday Summer. Yun yung laging nakikita ko sa aking ano, sa aking FYP sa TikTok, and talagang gusto ko siyang i-try. And every time naman na pupunta ako sa Sephora, lagi naman silang out of stock. Nakakaloka. So, siguro I had to order it online na lang or something. Nakakaloka kasi, nakakainis. But yun, anyways, nandito na tayo sa Walmart. Ayan. Hintayin na lang natin si Daddy dito kasi nandiyan lang yung kanyang work, malapit lang. So, napakita ko pala sa inyo yung mga list ng mga bibilihin natin. So, ayan. So, ginawa ng asawa ko, nilagiginan niya na niya para hindi na yung ano, papalit-palit yung gagawin natin is like yung ay, ito, kailangan ba nito ng ganyan. So, ayan, ginawa niya ng list na ganyan para kung nilagay niya ng times 2, times 3, kung ayun. Kasi, alam niyo ba ang pinakamaraming list dito si Caleb? As in, yung listahan niya ang haba. Tapakita ko sa inyo. Tanggalin ko itong ano. Tapos yung kay Chad napakaliit. Ayan, tignan nyo. Pahaba-haba ng listahan ni Caleb. Tapos yung kay Chad, o diba, iilan lang. Yung kay Troy naman, medyo madami-dami rin. Next year yan mga guys. Mga guys, 4 na yung mga bibilihin natin mga listahan dahil si ate girl nyo mag-aaral na. Oh my god, magsusolo na talaga ako sa bahay nito. But anyways, hintayin na natin dito si Daddy and yeah, para makapagbili na tayo ng kanilang school supplies. So here's Daddy. So we're gonna give Daddy's a gift. Here, open. Right there.
Oh, you'll be coaching today. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. I needed that. Mom says I stink, so I have to wear it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, let's go.
All right, come on.
So, ayan. Dito na tayo. So, do you have a pen? I don't.
I left my pen in the thing.
Oh.
Okay, dry erase markers. Basically, 2 dry erase markers.
Yeah.
But there's the Expo writers. We need the Sharpie right there.
Huh? We need a Sharpie?
Yeah, need
How many do we need?
just 1 pack.
1 pack? Okay.
No, it says dry erase markers times
Yeah.
2. So we just get these 2, or you want the big fat ones?
Let's get the big one.
Get these right here. Get these right here.
Yeah, just that one. That's
Okay,
fine.
there's 2 and 2. Okay.
How many do you need though, that one?
They just said 2 dry erase markers times 2, so there's 2. Okay.
Why can't you just get another one?
Because you don't need them. Okay. Oh, you want something to work like
Yeah,
like
just-
that, the full pack?
Yeah. Instead of
Full pack, then that's fine. Okay. Pencils. Where's my pencils?
for Caleb, it says that
You can use mechanical pencils.
yeah, she said that it was fine for a mechanical pencil.
So you want to get him the disposable right there, or you want to get the one? I think the disposable would be better.
yeah, this color for is fine. This is what I like. This kind. I like this one too. No, this is actually my favorite right here. That one is good too.
You get this kind,
Yeah.
the colorful,
Yeah. Yeah, this one.
or you want this one here?
Yeah, this one is fun. That way he's colorful.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was saying this.
What?
They're all black except for just the colors on there.
Okay, fine. How much is that one?
$3.57.
Okay. Alright, just get that one then. Oops, my bad. Huh?
Now we need 2 packs of pencils. You want Chad and Caleb to share that?
Yeah, they just share it.
Okay. I guess we don't need a pencil. Well, we don't need a pencil sharpener then.
Pencil sharpener?
Yeah, because since we get that.
Okay.
So.
What else?
We should just use that. Print off that list. That way we do one for each class, but that's fine.
I have it in the van. It's in the
You
van.
want to run out there and get that?
You go get it. Oh my gosh, guys, tingnan nyo. Yung Pokemon ni Caleb. I like this
Oh,
one.
right there, sweetheart.
What? Which one? The Hello Kitty one? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I like this. Nakasale siya ng $14.98. Oh, tapos umiilaw pa siya. How do you... Never mind.
Just push the lightning bolt.
I did. Oh, coolio. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Ngayon kayo, ay, nag-iilaw din siya. Alright, let's go. Hello Kitty. Oh my God, Hello Kitty. Why are you doing this, sweetheart? I like that one. Hey, they had. Hey, sad.
We have plenty of water bottles.
Well, they need a refillable water.
So I'm gonna take those ones that we bought.
Oh gosh, this is joy.
You want you can get it. Go ahead.
Well, I don't know. It says refillable.
Well, you can.
Okay, fine. Na-stop.
If you want to get it,
So, ito ang ating mga nabili, guys. Hindi pa tayo tapos. School supply ba yan? Hindi. So, guys, we are done. So, magkakarga lang ako ng gas kasi I have 84 miles na lang. So, kailangan natin magpakarga. And then, pagkatapos nun, uwi na tayo. And then, i-haul ko na lang sa inyo yung mga school supply na binili natin. Para mapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga binili natin. For my 3 kids. My God. Alam nyo ba, sa school supply lang, we spend $155. crazy. Crazy. And ano nyo yan sa pesos. My lord. So, let's go get some gas. Guys, yun nyo. 8 o'clock na. Pero ang araw, nakaano pa. Diba? So, bahay na kami guys. So, pick upin na natin yung mga Junakis. And then, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga corn. As in, ready na yung mga corn na napitasin. Excited ako. Ito. Ayan, tignan nyo oh. Pwede nang pitasin. Ayan oh. Ang dami nila. Oh my God. Nakaka-excite. Wala. Meron dito. Ay, parang kinano ng mga animals. Ayan o. Nakaka-excite. Ito, konti pa. Oh, ayan. Pwede na to. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo. Oh, diba? Pwede na. Alright, let's go. Tapos ito yung mga tomato niya. Oh. Namamatay na yung iba yan. Tignan nyo itong cabbage. Tignan yung mga cabbage, hindi niya pinipitas, nasisira na. Ayan, madami pang corn doon. Ayan. Ito, I think onion to eh. Ayan, I think onion siya. Uy, putik. Ito, ayun ko kung anong pinitas na niya to. Green pepper. Ang dami pang mga tomato oh. So, ito yung mga tomato na pinatas niya guys. Ang gagawin niya dito is, niya to, gagawin niyang tomato sauce. Ayan. Alright, let's go. Hi guys. So, isi-share ko na sa inyo yung mga nabili natin earlier. So, unahin ko na dito sa cup ni Troy na matchy-matchy sa kanyang backpack. So, ayan. Si Spider-Man. So, he is into Spider-Man ngayon. So, ayan. Nilagyan na natin siya ng name at saka yung teacher niya. Pero, I think matatanggal to. But, yeah. So, this is kay Troy. And this is naman kay Caleb. Matchy-matchy din sa kanyang backpack. And may name na rin siya. So, hopefully, hindi matanggal. So, yan. And then, yung kay Kuya Chad na backpack is still coming. In-order namin siya online like 3 days ago. Kasi, hindi niya maano kung ano talagang backpack ang gusto niya. So, we don't have any like parang ganito, like character kay Chad. Kasi, iba yung backpack na pinili niya. Basta, makikita nyo na lang once sa dumating na siya. So, ito lang yung pinili namin sa kanya na bato. Ayan, simple lang. Kasi, medyo, na yung ating first baby. Gusto niya na medyo clear na yung mga, ayaw niya na may mga design. Yeah. So anyways, and then ito, lunch para kay Troy. Merong ganito si Chad at saka kay Caleb. Shark. So ito naman, green for Troy na Lunchable. Na bento box. Ayan. Similar lang pero different style. Yan, binuksan ko na. Diba? So, ito yung mga kakailanganin ni Troy. Lysol na wipes. And then, hand sanitizer. Hand wipes. And then, ito, definitely kay Caleb na headphone. Then, we have markers. And then, itong pencil sharpener. And then we have this, ito para for me. I got 3 different colors. Oh, you're giving her food. Yeah. This is for me kasi I need this note stick pad. And
What do you
merong
want? You want
pouch. Pouch para kay Chad and Caleb. What? Well, giving her. And then we have glue stick. Another marker. And we have crayons.
It's ready to get. What'd you do with it?
Then we have some eraser. Pick dalawa yung eraser na tayo. Then paper towel for Troy. Sandwich bag para kay Troy's class. Ayan, sandwich bag. Another, oh, this is yours. So, ayan. This one is for Troy kasi,
Okay,
what do they need this for?
Kindergarten. I don't know.
Pre-K?
Yeah.
Because I don't, well, it's been a long, since yung pre-K ni Chad tsaka ni Caleb, and I don't remember what they use it for. And we have
You good to get down?
marker. We have 2 markers, and then sharpener, pencils na nakatasan na siya, and then a colored pencil. So yan, ito yung isang marker, ito yung isang eraser, scissor para kay Caleb, and pencil para kay Chad and Caleb. Mag-share na lang sila dito. So this is $1 something siya. And then we have some paper. Ayan. So iba yung paper sa Pilipinas, iba din ang paper dito. Walang mga lengthwise, walang mga ganyan-ganyan. Nakalimutan ko na kung anong tawag sa kanila. Basta ito lang yung paper na meron na ganito sa Amerika. Walang mga mahaba, walang maliit, walang, yeah, ganito lang talaga. Nakalimutan ko ng mga pangalan ng mga yan. Ito, this is our last bag. And then, another pencil. Dinalawa ko talaga yung pencil kasi para dito sa bahay. And, ito, din, hindi pala, tag-isa pala si Chad at saka kay Caleb dito. Na pencil din siya. Mechanical pencil siya. Ito ko sa inyo. So, ayan siya. So, gaganyan-ganyan mo lang. And then, lalabas na siya dito. Ayan. Ayan, lalabas. Ayan, ganyan. Ganyan-ganyan mo lang. So, that's mechanical pencil. Excuse me. Tapos, ito namang pencil. Oh, shoot. Okay lang. Ito naman yung iyan natin. Ay! Akala ko, ano na siya, naka-sharp na siya. Hindi pa pala siya naka-sharp. Yan. So, that's a number 2 pencil. Yan. Akala ko naka-sharp na, hindi pa pala. Good thing na lang na ano. But yan. And then, folder with pocket. Kasi nang inihingi ng, ano nila, with pocket. Yan. And one subject notebook para kay Caleb. And then ito pala guys, tissue box. Tissue para sa school kasi mag-winter na, magmamalamig na. So kailangan nila ng tissue para sa mga may sipon, mga ganun-ganun. So ayan. So ganyan, mga ganitong bagay lang yung alam mo yun, pwede mong i-share sa kasi the entire year wala ka nang bibilihin na kahit na so pag nag-ask lang yung teacher na if you can donate na yung mga ganito lang, hand sanitizer, yung tissue, ganyan, kasi talagang they need it, especially kapag winter na. But is that it? That's it, right? Okay. That is it, guys, sa ating haul. So yeah. Huh?
You're welcome.
Thank you. So, that's it guys, ang ating haul. And hopefully we got everything we needed. So, pretty much this is $155 total for 3 kids. What's gonna happen next year, dahil 4 of them are going to school na. So, good luck talaga sa atin. But yeah, that's it, ang ating haul. Bariyan ko na ang vlog guys. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating mini vlog today. So, yeah, me and Daddy get a mini date. Huh? We did mini date.
Yeah, you said
Whatever.
with no happy ending.
You don't need a happy ending. At the store! You should be have a happy ending. Happy ending. I gave you your coach, your cologne.
What's your Yeti or your Stanley or your mug you got
Whatever.
today and yesterday, day before yesterday?
Whatever. But anyways, I'll end the vlog guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys again on the next one. Bye. Say good night.
Good night. Enjoy. Thank you. Like and subscribe.
Good night guys.